Sekusabalale AmaVideo enkundleni zokuxhumana yabantu besilisa bakade besendaweni yokucima ukoma ebizwa ngeZanZou bar ePretoria. Abantu abaningi babenezincazelo ezahlukene mayelana nalamavideo. Baboda bathi labantu besilisa bebephuza kule ndawo yokucima ukoma, oda utshwala obuningi bagcine behlulekile ukubukhokhela. Kangangokuthi babe sebephoqa ke ukuthi bedlokodlane ngamabhodlela endaweni ezibucayi. Abaphathi ke bakhona kule ndawo eZanZou bar baphumele obala ke bona ngevideo yona lesabalalile enkundleni zokuxhumana. Bathi izathu ukuthi kwenzeke lento enzakalile ukuthi laba bantu bebentshontsha amafoni. Lana ke mlaleli ngizokufakela amavideo amabili okuwusiso ochaza kabanzi ngalolu daba nomlisa ke lana okuyena othathela amavideo. Echaza ke nomlisa ukuthi masemaningi amavideo asazowadedela ayenzakalile khona lapha eZanZou Club.
So my friend and I went to Twitter, right? And when we get there, we see like videos circulating and what's so on, right? So we don't know the full story, but allegedly there were these group of boys that went to ZanZou and then they were stealing phones, right? And then the bouncers catching them. They took them to the storeroom at the back. I don't know what storeroom is that one. There's alcohol and everything and ice and everything. So they were torturing them. I don't want to say torture, but allegedly so they were torturing them. There's a video where literally they took they led these boys themselves at the back with alcohol bottles, like literally like alcohol bottles. They led them at the back, you know, by themselves. That guys, it's so traumatizing. And then there's another video where this boy dromo, George. You understand? It's full of ice and everything, and he's freezing cold. And there's this other one, a fridge room. And then there's another video where these boys were like scommuting themselves, right? And there's another video where these boys, they were just beating them up. They tied them kadi ropes and they were like beating them up and everything. Like, it's so traumatizing, guys. I'm so sorry, but that video is so crazy because I'm just thinking about the after effects of the boys. Like, do you understand? This is a lifetime experience. Like, literally, even if something happens to the owners or those men, Oksala, these boys are gonna be traumatized for the rest of their lives. It's literally crazy. Jobs, parents, themselves in jail as people. So it's really like, it's so disturbing that things can go this far with you wanna deal with people that have been, you're not like, oh, you wanna show yourselves, no, we are big and everything, no one can touch us. No, guys, it's so disturbing. I'm sorry, but yeah. And we just read a statement where they were like, it's not even about money or payments. It's not about that. It's about theft. It's on Twitter. Everything's on Twitter. You guys can go check it out.
Hello guys, I hope you guys doing well. It's me, Pablo, the one who posts all the video that have been linking on the net, social media, wherever. But ZanZou, everything is true. Everything is 100% true. No one must disturb you to say it's fake, it's because of this, it's because of this. All that is fake. I got more than 75 video extra that I'm going to expose anytime soon. It's crazy. Everything is crazy. I'll speak less. I would like you guys to see everything on your own eyes. The media gonna share information with you. I don't know, website, all the channel, they got information and they will send it to you guys. Everyone can watch all of that. I've been working for these people for 7 years, so I know this industry how it works. I know everything how it works. There's no one can come say this. Everything I'm telling you guys, you need to listen to it and believe on it. I know you guys like to believe with proof, and I got a lot of proof for you that I'm going to expose. Drama. There's two people that they've been hitting. They get hit very too much because of some issue there. There was a team of people beating those people like it was crazy. Those people apparently they're dead already. They throw them somewhere. And I got those videos. And Mr. Neo Moela is part of those things. And all the video you see is inside included. Everything. I got everything you see. Guys, all I will say is, I'll speak less. I'm not gonna try to make these things look like I'm there for something, but I'm gonna try to just make them understanding that we are living in a world that anything can turn. I was there, I saw, and I know what I'm talking about, and I got a lot of proof. You guys will be very disappointed, too much, that everything is going down and everything is going to shut down. They always speak about money, they have money, they can deal with everything. Those people cooperate with all the police, Sunnyside, Brooklyn, Mailing side, all the police, they're under, they controlling, those people are controlling them, paying the supervisor, this. When you open a case, the aseZanZou, they will delete the case, they call them, this person come open a case, like they do a lot of things. And besides that, you know what is funny, né? You know Latinos, you guys remember about Latinos story at Brooklyn, Latinos, that club closed, right? My friend, he was involved because of some issues. It's gonna be soon with me, and everything's gonna be, it's gonna explain to you more. Like, we got a lot of proof to explain. Explaining is good because you guys need to be, you guys need that explanation so you can understand what is the problem. But I'm gonna start posting maybe by tomorrow or after tomorrow. I'll be posting each video, and I'll give all the data and all the proof and all the picture and all the confirmation. So there's not going to be any explanation anymore because you guys can see everything. And then I know those people right now, they're looking for me. They promise already to kill me, anything. They promise to kill me. They promise to do some bad things to me already. You guys might just know that I'll do what is right. We are all black. We need to be in it. So, and what they are writing in that statement, they fire me because I used to beat people, all of that is fake. When they fire me, the last party I was at, the staff party, it was that staff party was before we closed. We went to a staff party. I was there with the bosses, everything. I have even have video. I have even have the proof of my last payment of the end of the year. So I don't know when they did fire me. I'm the one who do the oral stuff, bouncer, everything. I don't know when they fire me. I have my last payment. I'll show you guys the proof of the date, everything. And I can show you the staff party was there. Even the bosses was there. So everything they're writing there is fake. We come back to work, I think it's month end February. I did not go to work. You guys can come to confirm I never go to work because I did not want to work for them. And those people is how they operate. When you don't want to be there for them, they will make sure to finish you and to kill you. But you guys must just know what's necessary. Those people, they're gonna try to do anything to disturb you, to convince you. But you must remember, people are trusting they're the same people. Tomorrow they're gonna kill your sister, they're gonna hit your brother, and they will do such thing to one of your member family.